SC Happily and Family Fun Gardening.
Hi everyone, I'm SC Happily. Welcome to my family's channel. Today we are going to be planting and creating a hedge of Japanese boxwoods. Now I did get these Japanese boxwoods on the clearance rack from Lowe's. Alright y'all, I told y'all, did I not tell y'all? For all the clearance shoppers, they have the boxwoods of different, oh that's a holly there, but they have some boxwoods down here on clearance. It's time, the time is coming. Part sun locations. The holly is part sun. But if you want to start putting these babies in the ground, the time to come up here is now. And the spacing states 3 to 6 feet wide and 3 to 6 feet high. Okay, so I have lined the Japanese boxwoods up. I have planted holes, and I am going to mix cow manure and soil inside with the clay. Also, you will notice, because I have clay soil, I will put more soil at the bottom of the hole so it can encourage the water that passes through to continue to flow. These Japanese boxwoods does not like to have wet feet. They like to be wet, but they don't like the water to sit in the puddle at the bottom. So that's why I'm going to mix it. All right, enjoy this hedge.
Here you'll see me breaking up the root ball. A gentle brushing against the roots will work. Alright, and now I'll place dirt at the bottom of the hole for drainage purposes. I will add some clay soil and mix it with some potting soil, but also so the roots can be familiarized with the native soil, and that encourages the roots to spread outside of the hole that was dug.
Jump in there, frog? You can jump in. Say hello to my frog. Oh.
What's his name? Hi, Todd.
Hi, Todd.
He's
nice
looking.
to meet you. Would you like to go in my garden?
Hey, he's shy.
Don't be shy. I'll put you back in my garden.
The frog is taking care of the garden. Back to SC, y'all.
Next, I am going to plant some ajugas. Ajugas are fast growing ground covers and they grow by runners underneath the ground. So this will spread out beautifully. One here. This was $11.98 from Lowe's. All of the roots even separate within, so you have to be within the entire case, so you have to be careful tearing them apart. Six come in a pack. We'll be covering it back up with the mulch. This will also encourage any of your family members, in my case Marcus and Legend, not to walk on the ground but use the stone.